Welcome to my channel. My name is William, and today I will show you how to change the oil of this 2006 Toyota Tundra. There, I bought this truck in 2006. It's brand new. Since the first oil change, I use a mobile one. There, 1030 full synthetic. Now because I have already 195,000 miles, I'm using a high mileage oil, synthetic oil, and I'm using a Prom ultra synthetic filter. There, it says 20,000 miles. You can use it, but I don't go up to 20,000. I change it every 5,000 miles. I went to the dealer and I want to buy copper washer. They don't have it, so I took this one, and they just gave me 4 of this washer, and they said they don't have the copper washer out of stock, so they just gave me this. They didn't charge me. So I already drained it. You see there. I don't know if you can see it. This is already 14 years old truck, but as you can see, there is no leak underneath. I rarely wash this truck, and as you can see, it's all dry. I don't know if you can see clear. Hey baby, hey, how are you? Say hi.
How are you?
Hi. Hi. That's my grandson. Okay. And every time I change the oil of this truck, I remove the skid plate. It's steel, here. It's a steel plate, Okay. It's been an hour now that I drained the oil of this. It's almost nothing. It's a little bit drip there, so it's time to pour oil now. The capacity of this is 7 quart, so I will use this 5 quarts plus 2. And then this is 14 years old, and I use this for work on my construction project. There. You see, as you can see, I don't clean that much the engine, but there is no visible oil leaks on this truck. I don't want to wash with water all the time, because I don't want the electronics to get rusted. Then later on you will have problem. There. Now I put already 7 quart of oil, and now we'll just wipe this oil drip a little bit, and then start it. So this one I don't use a torque. I just tied it manually. I've done this so many times. So I just use a short handle, and just tied it a little bit. I don't follow the what you call the recommended strength to tie it. Just follow my instinct, and I've been doing this to all my cars. All of my cars, I'm the one doing maintenance to this car, except when there is problem on the engine. But other than that, like changing alternator, starter, radiator, all the exterior of the cars, I'm the one doing it, including the brakes and anything under chassis. I'm the one doing it. Okay, let's go inside and check it. And I will reset the maintenance light. You see that maintenance light? That maintenance light required, I will reset it. The way you reset it, make sure that it's on that there on the odometer there. So I reset everything there. So turn it off, and I don't know how I will do this one. Okay, press that odometer and put it like that. You see that bar? And then that's, you see it, as you can see, it's gone already. And then I will reset also my A and B, trip A. See, it's already 5,100, because that light, it will lit every 5,000 miles. And then the other one, trip B, is the same. I reset it also. See, then go back to odometer. As you can see, this is 195,648 miles. And then start it to check if there is a leak. This truck is already 14 years old. I bought it brand new in 2006. I don't have any major problem on this one. Every 100,000 miles I change the timing belt, because this is a timing belt. All the V-belt and water pump. So I still have another 5,000 miles to do that maintenance. It's about on my next oil change. I think it will cost me around 1,500 to 1,800 on that one to change those things. That I don't do it myself. I call my mechanic. I have a mechanic friend who do for me. There, and then let's go there down here to check if there is a leak around. That is not a leak. It's just a dripping there. You see, yeah. And as you can see, this is the washer I replaced. It's all beat up. I need to replace it. I think I've used this for like 3 oil change. There. Since there is no leak, I will put back the skid plate. I bring the used oil to used oil collection place here in my area. I bring it to auto zone. It's you know, you bring it there, throw it on their collection container, and it's free. So that is the place where I throw my used oil and use filter. So the socket I use is a long socket, 14 millimeter for the drain plug, and then 12 millimeter for the skid plate. And of course I just use shop towel and a rosin paper that you can buy from Home Depot. Let's see, yeah, you see there is no oil that spill there, no drip. Okay, and then see one 5 quarts is full plus another quart there. So I collected 6 quarts. So every time I change, I don't add oil on this one until my next oil change. So it consume a quarts, around quarts of oil. It's 5,000 miles because the interval of my oil change is 5,000 miles. So when you reset that maintenance required, it will lit on 5,000 miles. So there you go. And the only thing I don't like on this truck is it consumes gas a lot. I think I only get with this situation, with this traffic in Los Angeles, I only average 14-15 miles a gallon on this truck. But you know, because it's 8-cylinder, so you know, it doesn't surprise me. I only use it when I haul heavy load and lumber. There. Okay, please comment down below if you need to ask some question, and I will answer you know, answer it as soon as I read it. And if you're not yet subscribed on my channel, please click the subscription button and you know, click the bell so I can notify you on my next video. Regarding my next video is for changing oil is my Colorado Duramax diesel. It's almost also you know, due for changing oil. This one, it's a diesel, Duramax diesel. So I think so this that is my next video for changing oil. And also please check all my construction video for my project. That's all for now. You know, please click the subscription button, and then the notification bell so I can notify you on my next video. Okay, bye.